In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter rows for blanks in different columns in Excel. We're going to use a simple, reliable approach that helps you identify any rows that are missing information across multiple columns. The idea is to calculate how many blanks appear within a specific set of columns on the same row, so you can easily see which rows need attention, and, if you like later, use that result to filter your data. Start by clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. It's best to choose a cell in an empty helper column on the same row you want to check, so your sheet stays organized. Make sure you're not clicking a header cell. Pick a data row. Now type the formula. Begin with an equals sign, then type Countblank, open a parenthesis, select the range of cells across the columns you want to check on this row, and close the parenthesis. For example, if you want to check columns B through E for the current row, your formula would look like this. Countblank B2E2. The key is that the range you select should run across the columns you care about, but stay on the same row. Countblank simply counts how many of those cells are truly empty. Press Enter to calculate. You'll see a number appear. 0 means there are no blanks in the columns you checked for that row. Any number greater than 0 tells you how many cells in that row are blank within your chosen columns. This makes it crystal clear which rows are complete and which ones are missing something. A couple of quick tips to make this work smoothly. First, be precise with your range. Include only the columns that matter for your check, and avoid selecting extra cells you don't intend to evaluate. Second, know how Excel treats blanks. Countblank counts cells that are empty, and it also treats cells that return an empty string from a formula as blank. However, a cell that looks empty but actually contains a space or a non-printing character won't be counted as blank, so if your count seems off, that could be why. Keeping your data clean helps a lot. That's it. Click the cell, type Countblank over the columns you want to check on that row, and press Enter. With that number in place, you instantly know whether any required fields are missing on that row, and you can use that knowledge to review, highlight, or later filter your sheet as needed.